First I will make a square over here, then duplicate it and bring it to the corner. Now duplicate it again, select these two and copy them to the bottom. Go to object and expand. Go to object again, path and offset path. Set it to 10 and hit OK. Make it a little bigger. Zoom in a little. Select the shape builder tool and minus out these parts. Now zoom out, right click and ungroup and remove all the extra parts. Now decrease its size and rotate it and remove all the corners with the direct selection tool. Now go to object, pattern and make and click on done. Now we can delete it, select the new pattern we just created and create a shape in the middle. And our overlap square pattern is ready. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like and share.